Hello everyone. As tpm and secure boot, which is mandatory for installation of Windows, I will show you how you can bypass both secure boot as well as the tpm. For that you need the Windows 11 ISO. Then you need to create another folder. Now extract this Windows 11 ISO by opening with Windows Explorer and copying all the files to the new folder. After the copy, I can show you that I don't have a tpm by opening the cmd and typing tpm.msc. So you can see I don't have a tpm module in my computer. So if I try to install Windows 11 in my computer, it will show error while checking. Just a minute. Here we can see that my PC does not support Windows 11. Now there will be a zip file in the description. Now you have to download and extract the files, 2 files. Now you have to copy these 2 files and paste these 2 files in the source folder and replace the file in the destination. This will bypass both tpm 2.0 issue as well as the secure boot problem. Now let's see if it passes. Now you see here are the checking updates, and now after this it will install. There will be no problems. We have successfully bypassed both tpm 2.0 issue as well as the secure boot issue. This method for upgrading to Windows 11 will be very helpful if you are in Windows 10 and want to upgrade to Windows 11.